Hello everyone, so this is the 22 video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can show our project on our freelancer module. Okay, in our previous video we will discuss about how we can post our project through our company model, and that previous video in 20th video we discuss about how we can show all kind of job on our freelancer module. So in this video we are working in our freelancer module to show our all kind of project. Okay, here you can see I already log into my account. This one is a freelancer module, and whenever I am clicking on a free explore the freelancer project, there will be a lots of project we have to show. Okay, similar like if we click on explore job, there will be a job requirement showing here. Oh, okay, so similar like we have to show here the project. So this kind of things we are working in this video. You can check out in our GitHub repository. We had to show these kind of things whenever I am clicking on an explore project. Okay, that is the project name, the company posted that particular project, the skills required for that project, and last download the documentation of that particular project. Okay, so these things we are discussed in this video. So let's start this video. So we have to first load that particular page so we can show that all kind of job. So for that we have to come to our drive. Here you can see, and we have to click on HTML files, then click on pages, and here you can see the page called as explore project.jsp. We have to open that, and we have to copy this entire code from here. Okay, then we have to come to our project, and here you can see the folder called as a pages. Double click on that, and you have to create one page here, that is the explore project. So JSP pages, JSP file, explore project, click on enter. Then we have to paste this entire code on this kind of page. Okay, paste here. Then we have to set mapping for that particular page, so we have to click on OK. We have to create here as OK, then Control S. Okay, save as UTF-8. Okay, then it is a fix. We have to remove this one line from here. Okay, then we have to set the mapping for that particular thing. So for that we have to come to our controller. Before that, here you can see this one is showing us a red line, that is we don't have a header file freelancer, we have the header freelancer. So we have to remove the file from here, and then we have to come to a controller. We have to work in our freelancer controller, so that's why we have to open our freelancer controller, and here we have to set the mapping for the explore project page. Okay, so I'm just writing here public string explore project page, then curly braces, and above that we have to write the mapping for that page, request mapping. In that we have to write here explore is capital explore project. You can take anything mapping according to your requirements, and return explore project. Okay, explore project. Okay, I think everything is set. Explore project. Then we have to one more time check our home freelancer. Here you can see this one is a home freelancer, and we have to check the mapping in our home freelancer, that is the explore project. Okay, I think the mapping is the similar. We have to don't have to do anything in our home freelancer. So let's check it out now, it is working or not. Okay, I am just refreshing this kind of page from here. Refresh, and let's check it out now, our page is loading or not. Explore freelancer project, and here you can see it will redirect me on this page. Okay, why that div is not showing, why this kind of design is not showing? Because I already applied their for each loop in my previous project, so I have to remove that for each loop from here. Okay, so here you can see this one is a for each loop. I have to remove this loop from here and from here also. Okay, and let's check it out now, it is showing or not. And here you can see, here we have to show this all kind of detail, that is a project title, skills, and documentation. Okay, so this kind of things we have to fix there. So for showing this kind of things we have to again come to our project, and here we have to declare one method. Okay, in our freelancer controller. So I have to write here method in our explore project. Okay, in this mapping we have to write that particular method. So whenever this page is someone call this kind of page, the all kind of information showing on that particular page. That's why we have to declare that method in our explore project mapping. Okay, similar like in our explore jobs mapping. Okay, so I have to declare that method here, that is pd, that is project dot pd dot show all project details. Then we have to simply write here semicolon. Then we have to hover on that and select as a create method show project in type of project DAO. Okay, click on that, and here you can see the method is successfully created here. Now we have to mention here we on the type of void we have to mention a list, and in that list we have to pass the post project. Okay, because we are showing all kind of project details here. Okay, so I'm just writing a post project. Okay, done. Then we have to write here t1. Okay, before that we have to write here return, because we are returning that kind of list from here. So return t1, which is JDBC template, t1, then query. Then in this I have to write the select query. Okay, so simple is that select star from post job. Okay, simple is that select star from post job, and new row mapper. In that we have to pass our class name in greater than and less than bracket. We have to pass here our class name, that is a post project. Then we have to again mention here two brackets, then curly braces, then paste on a semicolon. Then in between that curly braces we have to click on enter, and we have to hover on a row mapper. Here you can see add unimplemented method, and here you can see the unimplemented method is successfully created here. Now we have to do nothing here, we have to only create the post project object here, and we have to set and get that value. That value we are going to show here. Okay, that is our uh, project name, company name, rig skills, and last one is our PDF. Okay, so four things we have to show. So we are only showing, or we are only set and get four things here. Okay, then we have to come to our project down. Here you can see, and we have to simply create here the post project object. So post project p1 is equal to new post project. Then p1, first one we have to set id. So p1 dot set id rs dot get string get int, sorry, because id is an integer form, column index number 1. Okay, because the column index number of id is always 1. Then p1 dot set project description, project D. Okay, no, we don't have to show the project description here. So project TT, which is project title, rs dot get string, column index number, I think we have to check our database, that is the 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so 3. Then we have to show here p1 dot set pro. Okay, we have to set here the company name. I think we have to check that. Then we have to show the company name. So set c name rs dot get string, column index number. I have to check my database, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, 7. And last one skills, p1 dot set skills project s. Okay, project else, which means project skills, rs dot get string, column index number. I have to check again, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5th. And last one we have to remember, that is a project PDF. Okay, last one p1 dot set project PDF rs dot get string, column index number. I have to again check that, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 4. Okay, column index number is 4. and we have to simply return the p1 here. Okay, so p1 we have to return from here. Okay, so all things regarding our project now is now finished. Then we have to return to our controller. Here you can see this one is a controller, and we have to take this entire thing into one list. Okay, so I'm just writing a list, and in this list we have to pass here the post project, and I'm just writing here project data is equal to these all things. Okay, equal to these things. And we already discussed on a previous video, that is with the help of model map we can easily show that particular data on our website. Okay, so I'm just writing a model map class, model map and with the help of add attribute method of that particular class I can show that particular thing with the help of key and value. So dot add attribute, we have to pass two things here. First one is a key, second one is value. So our value is a project data. Okay, I'm just writing here value, and key here, that is a project info. Okay, and I have to put here semicolon. I only need one thing here, that is our key. Okay, so that is the project info. I'm just copy that particular key from here and come to my explore project.jsp. Okay, and simply I have to apply here the for each loop, and with the help of that loop we can easily show that kind of value. Okay, so less than bracket, okay, c colon for each, then items is equal to dollar. Okay, before that we have to pass here double colon, then dollar, and in this we have to mention here the curly braces, and in the curly braces we have to pass our key. Then we have to write here as a where is equal to e, and we have to close this for each loop, and we have to again close this for each loop on below. So less than and then slash, then we automatically close from here. Then with the help of e we can easily show our value. So here you can see, first we have to show our project title. So I think this thing is similar, that is project tt. We taken the similar thing in our project also, that is project tt. We have to change the company name here, so that is the e.cname. Okay, because we taken the company name here as a cname, so we have to take here as a cname. Then e.project s, so this is also similar because project skills. And last one is we have to show the pdf of that particular project. Okay, so here you can see I mentioned that pdf in our anchor tab. So I think we taken the pdf here as a project pdf. Okay, so we have to write here as a project pdf, and we already mentioned here the path. Okay, so whenever we have to show some kind of picture or image, we have to pass here path, because whenever I am uploading the file in this project, I uploading the original file in our project, and the file name I am uploading in our database. So by whenever we have to show that particular thing, we have to concat both things, and with the help of this we can easily show that particular data. And here you can see I also mention here attribute, that is a download project plus documentation.pdf. Okay, so you can give any kind of name, you can give your name also here. Okay, so I think our work regarding this video is now completed. Let's check it out, our data is coming here or not, or we will get some kind of error. So run on server, tomcat next, and click on finish, and let's check it out now this things is working or not. Okay, if we get some kind of error, we can definitely fix that error. Okay, we open our browser, and here you can see our project is successfully came here. Login as a freelancer, I'm just writing my details, Gaurav Patil YouTube, and 4545. Click on enter, and let's check it out now it's working or not. Click on explore freelancing project, and it will redirect us on this page, and here you can see our project is now successfully come here. Okay, here you can see this one is our project list, and this one is successfully come here. Okay, so I think we done some silly mistake here.
Sorry. That
is we are writing the incorrect query here. We have to check our query, select star from post job. Okay, so we have done some kind of silly mistake here, that is we have to show the project data, so that's why we have to mention here post project. So this kind of mistakes I done here, that is post project. And let's check it out now, our data is coming here or not. Refresh, and I think I have to log out to my account and again log into my account. Then let's check it out now, it's working or not. We all really done the silly mistake here. Okay, sorry for that. And I'm just again log into my account, YouTube, and 4545, click on enter, and let's check it out now, it is showing or not. Explore freelancing project, and here you can see now our project is successfully come here. That is the AI chatbot that posted by Tata Consultancy Services. Require skill for that Python, HTML, CSS, JS, and React. And let's click on a download documentation, click on that, and here you can see the documentation is successfully downloaded, which is my resume. Okay, so all thing is perfectly working. For your information, I am just posting one more company project data here, so you can understand how the concept is really working here. Okay, so this one is our project. I am just logging from one company account, that is the Take Mahindra, and 4545. Click on enter, and let's post one more project from here. That is the, I'm just writing Home Standard India. Okay, this one is my personal project, and I'm just writing here project description, that is we want one project that has helpful for farming industries. Okay, this is a short description, and we have to check upload a documentation from here. So I simply choose the any kind of PDF from here. So I'm just okay, I have to select. Okay, I am just selecting the certificate from here, open. Okay, and we have to check ours. Okay, we have to write here the budget for that particular project, so I'm just writing here 45,000. And skills required for that project, that is a Spring Boot, then Hibernate, then SQL, and front end and tech. Okay, and click on submit, and here you can see our project is successfully posted. Let's check it out, our project is coming here or not. Before that there is only one project, and click on a refresh button, and here you can see the project is successfully coming here. Click on a download documentation. Okay, file wasn't available on the site, so for that we have to refresh our project from here. Click on that and refresh, and again refresh this kind of page from here, and click on download button. And now here you can see in downloads my file is successfully downloaded from here. Okay, here you can see this one. So all thing is perfectly working. Okay, so this is all about today's video, and in this video you perfectly understand how things exactly work behind the scene of every freelancing website. Okay, how they can post their project, how the freelancer applied that particular project. So this kind of things we discuss in our upcoming video. Okay, in our next video we will discuss about how we can apply for that particular job. Before that we are discussing about whenever I am clicking on a view and apply, all requirement or all information regarding job we have to show on a next page, and that similar kind of page we have option that is apply. Then whenever user select their resume, the application is sent to the particular company. So this kind of things we are discussing in our upcoming video. Okay, so this is all about today's video. If you like this video, if you like my content, you can definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel, it motivates me lots. Okay, and this is all about today's video. We will see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.